Right. Okay. So great. So let's get down to the basics like immediately.
Yeah.
What is the stand of the IT department on taxation of cryptocurrency? Like, what do they want from us, man? Like, why?
So this is a question which nobody has an answer. Even
Right.
the tax department does not have an answer. So there is
Right.
no set rules right now in crypto. And
Hmm.
recently, 2018 was announced. So
Right.
the finance minister clearly said that they're not accepting crypto as a legal tender of money.
Right.
And somehow we are expecting some rules to be around the crypto concept,
Right.
and some laws to be around the crypto concept, so that people can clearly disclose their income from cryptos. But
Right.
as of now, there are no rules. There is a lot of ambiguity, a lot of litigation. The tax
Right.
department can take any stand
Right.
to their benefit.
Hmm.
But eventually it is important that in case we are having any income, the people having any income from crypto, they are disclosing it at least,
Right. Right.
to
So
avoid any penalties. Yeah.
right, right, right. So basically, just to reiterate what you just said. So finance minister said crypto is not a legal tender. That does not
Yeah.
mean crypto is banned, right? Just
Right.
clarifying on that small part, right? Okay,
Absolutely right.
clarified that again. And okay, so you said that the taxation department wants us to disclose and pay taxes on that.
Yeah.
So I mean, is there like a notice from them, or is it on like a, is it like written on paper or hard paper? Because some of us also got notices from the tax department as to those 26 points which we had to answer. So any comments you have on that, like anything you have on that?
See, Aditya, in India, basically, when you tax any income, so there are five heads of income where the tax department seeks tax. So just to give a brief background to the audience, the first is the income from salary. So in case you're
Right.
working anywhere and you're earning some salary, you disclose that income in that head. The second comes to be the income from house property, wherein you own any house, one house or more than one house. That is how you will disclose the income under that head.
Hmm.
The third head is a income from business and profession, which is again a very wide head.
Right.
Any trading or any sort of trading can be construed as an income from business and profession.
Okay.
Then comes to be income from capital gains. So
Right.
so where you're trading in capital assets, again
Hmm.
the capital assets is defined under the income tax act. So in
Right.
case crypto falls under definition of capital asset, you
Hmm.
have to pay taxes as capital gains. And
Right.
then we have income from other sources, where
Hmm.
any income does not fall under all these four heads, that is the
Right.
salary, the house property, the business or profession, or
Hmm.
the capital gains. The tax department can tax any of the income under the head and other sources. So these are the five broad categories where the tax department can tax any of the income that is received by an individual.
Right, right, right. And that puts a lot of clarity into how the tax department thinks, right? And yes, one, it can obviously fall either in the business wala part, it can fall in the, the capital gains part, it can fall in the other income part. So any of these three can
Absolutely.
be right taxed.
Absolutely. So, broadly, the crypto will fall under any of the three parts. Again, there is
Right,
no law. There is a lot of ambiguity
right.
around it, under which head it should be taken into consideration. But
Hmm.
again, advisable that a legal help is sought while individuals are filing their returns, so
Right.
that appropriate income is at least disclosed.
Hmm. Hmm. All right. All right. Okay.